Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesting Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called USRLINKS. It's like a advanced OSINT username hunter. So USRLINKS is a comprehensive Python reconnaissance tool that checks a username availability across 100 plus social media platforms and performs a deep OSINT intelligence gathering. The tool features a both command line interfaces and web-based functionalities, designed for a security professionals and penetration testers and OSINT investigator. So, USRLinks provides a flexible deployment options with both terminal-based scanning and web interface capabilities for a maximum portability, security and integrations with the existing OSINT. Now, we would like to look here how this is going to be work. So let's open the terminal. Now, what are the main features we can get here? So it can scan entire like more than 100 plus platforms of social networks, and it will do also a deep reconnaissance of extract the emails, phone numbers, locations, and bio information from the profile. Profile intelligence like analyze the profile image with the hash generations for a cross-platform correlations. And we can also do with as a Google Docking automatically generates a target a search queries of a Google Docking. Like example, let's consider as John. He have Instagram. He searched to another targeted website. You can also search their interest, what he have done, and how to analyze all those passwords, everything to crack. Advanced reporting. We can also get a beautiful HTML reports with interactive tables or reconnaissance data also. That's it. Now, we would like to look here. So first of all, open the terminal. So this is a USR link. So first, just try to copy this one, come back. We just try here as a git clone and paste this repository. So first, we would like to clone the repository. So after clone the repository, we would like to go to directly installations. So we have cloned the repository is successful. Now we would like to go for here as a user links. Now just type customers here. Now we have here a userlinks.sh. Now first of all, also we have a requirements.txt. So I would like to activate my virtual environment. Now just type here as pip3 install minus a requirements.txt. So I have installed this one. Now let's just type here. Once this is done, so I already give the read and write permissions for this. So now just type here as bash as a userlinks.sh. Okay, it says required a username. Okay, we would like to put here as, let me just try here as a Alex. Oh, sorry. we would like to utilize, like we would like to first of all, that we would like to try here, uh, that we would like to put here as, let's just try here. Now, you try to getting entirely wherever have a platforms, more than 100 platforms, you are getting the right results. You can search what else you like, you can get it here. You can look here at platforms, everything. And also you can look here, Bitbucket, where you can get here. What else is available? We also get this user URL link with total platforms at 30, 27 he already taken the username, CodePen, DeviantArt, everything. You can get all the clear with the beautiful information with HTML. Quite interesting here. Now, uh, generate a HTML report where we would like to see here. User links report with, okay, quite good. Now I don't like required. So scan is completed, quite good. Now, we would like to try here as another one. What is the username? Another username we would like to try. I would like to try as, we would like to go anything like, so we would like to put here as Spider-Man. We would like to look here. You can look here all the everything. What else is required? Everything will be presented. Look here, username with the Spider-Man, a date and time. So everything is required. If you want to click on view profile, you can directly look here. You can see the so you have utilized the code pen as his username. You can also observe automatically. We would like to look here as a GitHub. You can look here in the GitHub where you have got it here, everything here. Hacker news. Here we have already got the what else you are searching about the Spider-Man. You can also take everything. So if you know how, it's already taken, means what else you are searching, that profile is already here, so that is available here directly. So unclick view profile, you can directly go here. So there is a docs, photos of GX, uh, Langford, dad's name, phone number, address, street, and zip code. So it's quite good. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and keep smiling.